Learn English to Gujarati phone and office verbs, to call,
ફોન કરવો,
and more. Welcome to the very dramatic phone. Hey, you're about to learn useful Gujarati words through one tiny disaster involving a phone, a printer, and far too many notifications. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat with confidence. This morning, I reached for my phone like a hero in a low-budget movie. The screen lit up with 23.
સંદેશાઓ,
Not 3, not 5, 23. Clearly, the universe wanted attention. First, I needed
ફોન કરવો,
my friend. Then I remembered I had missed a call, so I also needed.
પાછો ફોન કરવો,
My friend had sent me a question, so I had to.
જવાબ આપવો,
Then my boss said, please.
આગળ મોકલવું,
This file. Naturally, I forgot to.
સાચવવું,
It first. Brilliant. Then I almost.
કાઢી નાખવું,
The wrong document. And finally, because chaos loves company, I had to.
છાપવું.
Everything before leaving. Welcome to your Gujarati lesson. Your 8 power words. Let us meet your core vocabulary one by one. Listen, repeat, and imagine using each word today. To call is.
ફોન કરવો,
Example. I want to.
ફોન કરવો,
My friend tonight. Call back is.
પાછો ફોન કરવો,
Example. Please.
પાછો ફોન કરવો,
Later. Messages are.
સંદેશાઓ,
Example. I read the.
સંદેશાઓ,
On my phone. To answer is.
જવાબ આપવો,
Example. Please.
જવાબ આપવો,
My question. To forward is.
આગળ મોકલવું,
Example. Please.
આગળ મોકલવું,
This email to the team. To save is.
સાચવવું,
Example. Please.
સાચવવું,
The file before closing. To delete is.
કાઢી નાખવું,
Example. Please.
કાઢી નાખવું,
This message. To print is.
છાપવું,
Example. I want to.
છાપવું,
This document. A silly story you will actually remember. Now you get the full mini story. It is ridiculous on purpose because your brain loves weird details. Imagine this. You are drinking tea peacefully when your phone begins screaming like it has opinions. You check the screen and see many.
સંદેશાઓ,
One message says, please.
ફોન કરવો,
Me now. Another says, you forgot to.
પાછો ફોન કરવો,
Yesterday. A third asks a question, so you must.
જવાબ આપવો,
Politely. Then your coworker sends a document and says, can you?
આગળ મોકલવું,
This to the team? You open it, make changes, and whisper, I should.
સાચવવું,
This. But your finger slips toward.
કાઢી નાખવું,
Horror. Drama. Slow motion. Luckily, you recover, press.
સાચવવું,
And then run to the printer to.
છાપવું.
The final version. Moral of the story. Language learning is useful, and buttons are dangerous. Mini dialogue practice. Repeat these short dialogues aloud. Give them some acting energy. A little drama helps memory. A. Did you?
ફોન કરવો,
Home? B. Not yet, but I will.
ફોન કરવો,
Now. A. He called you this morning. B. I know. I need to.
પાછો ફોન કરવો,
A. Did you read my?
સંદેશાઓ,
B. Yes, I saw all your.
સંદેશાઓ,
A. Can you?
જવાબ આપવો,
This question? B. Yes, I can.
જવાબ આપવો,
A. Please.
આગળ મોકલવું,
This message to Maya. B. Sure, I will.
આગળ મોકલવું,
It now. A. Did you?
સાચવવું,
The file? B. Yes, I remembered to.
સાચવવું,
It. A. This photo is terrible. B. Then.
કાઢી નાખવું,
It. A. Do we need paper copies? B. Yes, we need to.
છાપવું,
Them. Memory tricks that are slightly absurd. Here comes the fun part. Weird images make words stick, so let us be gloriously strange. 4.
ફોન કરવો.
Imagine a banana holding a smartphone and saying, "My career is to."
ફોન કરવો.
Single quote. 4.
પાછો ફોન કરવો.
Imagine a phone boomerang flying away and returning to you. 4.
સંદેશાઓ.
Imagine your cat sending 10 polite texts asking for snacks. 4.
જવાબ આપવો.
Imagine a parrot in glasses answering every question before humans can speak. 4.
આગળ મોકલવું.
Imagine an office pigeon proudly forwarding emails. 4.
સાચવવું.
Imagine a squirrel saving computer files with tiny acorns. 4.
કાઢી નાખવું.
Imagine dragging a bad sandwich into a digital trash bin. 4.
છાપવું.
Imagine a lazy printer saying, "I only."
છાપવું.
On weekends. Quick quiz time. Let us test your memory. Answer before I do, even if your answer is whispered like a secret agent. How do you say to call in Gujarati?
ફોન કરવો.
How do you say call back?
પાછો ફોન કરવો.
How do you say messages?
સંદેશાઓ.
How do you say answer?
જવાબ આપવો.
How do you say forward?
આગળ મોકલવું.
How do you say save?
સાચવવું.
How do you say delete?
કાઢી નાખવું.
How do you say print?
છાપવું.
Your real life challenge. Now use the words like they belong to you. You do not need perfection. You need practice. Say, "I want to."
ફોન કરવો.
My friend tonight. Say, "Please."
પાછો ફોન કરવો.
Later. Say, "I read the."
સંદેશાઓ.
On my phone. Say, "Please."
જવાબ આપવો.
My question. Say, "Can you?"
આગળ મોકલવું.
The message to me? Say, "Please."
સાચવવું.
The file before closing. Say, "Please."
કાઢી નાખવું.
This message. Say, "I want to."
છાપવું.
This document. Friendly wrap up. You did great. Seriously, your Gujarati brain just got stronger. Today you practiced 8 useful Gujarati words.
ફોન કરવો. પાછો ફોન કરવો. સંદેશાઓ. જવાબ આપવો. આગળ મોકલવું. સાચવવું. કાઢી નાખવું.
And
છાપવું.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use these words in tiny daily moments, and come back tomorrow for another round. You have got this.